Hi all, hope everything is fine. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Wi-Fi network in your Windows 10 PC without any third-party applications or tools. Okay, so let's start. For that, we have to go to the notification area on your Windows 10 taskbar here. Okay, click here, then click on this expand icon. There you can see this mobile hotspot. Okay, click on that. At that time, it will enable an initial Wi-Fi with the name same as the computer name. Okay. For modifying this network, Wi-Fi network, we have to click. We have to right click on that icon. Okay, and press this go to settings icon. Here you can see the settings. Okay. Share my internet connection over this Wi-Fi and click on this edit button. Here we can modify the network name. Okay, now I will give test Wi-Fi. Okay, I can change the password to abc.123. Network band, we will keep it as it is, any available. Okay, then we have to save this settings. It is saying the password must be at least 8 characters. Okay, so I will add star and $sign as well. Okay, then save. Using this method, we can connect up to maximum 8 devices without any network router, Wi-Fi modem. Okay, so this is very helpful feature in Windows 10. A lot of people still doesn't know about this. Okay, so try this. This is a good feature. Try this. If you like this video, please like and share to your family and friends. Okay, and please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.